Don't miss out on the full video to find out the 6 safer and smarter ways to make extra money. Stick around till the end because we've got one more bonus tip, making it the total of 7 ways to boost your income wisely. Hey Luxo lovers, you know how banks make us think our money's growing with all that interest? Well, guess what? The numbers go up, but the real value doesn't. With prices going higher and banks not keeping up, having your cash just sitting there is like having a leak in your pocket. It's not exactly the best spot for your money to thrive, right? So with that in mind, we want to spill the beans on some safer and smarter ways to amp up your income. Can you do us a solid? If you're vibing with what you see, give us some love, alright? Sound good? Cool! Let's dive right in. Number 7. Industrial commodities. You know, when it comes to boosting your financial game, one avenue you might want to explore is diving into the world of industrial commodities. We're not talking about ordinary investments here, we're talking about a pathway to financial growth grounded in the intrinsic value and widespread demand for these remarkable materials. First up, let's explore the remarkable cobalt. This metallic marvel is no stranger to the limelight, particularly in the realm of advanced batteries powering our gadgets and electric vehicles. Its unique properties make it indispensable in the ever-evolving landscape of technology. Consider the role cobalt plays as the unsung hero behind the scenes, driving the energy revolution. Now, shift your focus to nickel, another heavyweight in the industrial arena. Renowned for its versatility, nickel stars in the creation of stainless steel and is a key component in the batteries that propel electric vehicles into the future. It's not just a metal, it's a cornerstone in the architecture of modern industry. And then there's copper, the silent force that runs through our lives. From electrical wiring that powers our homes to plumbing systems that keep everything flowing smoothly, copper is the unsung hero in the background. Its natural conductivity and durability make it an irreplaceable element in the infrastructure that surrounds us. The key to understanding the allure of these industrial commodities lies in their unique properties. Unlike other materials, their natural attributes are not easily replicated, creating a niche market with high demand. In a world that's becoming increasingly tech-dependent, the importance of these materials is only set to rise. Investing in cobalt, nickel, and copper isn't just a financial strategy, it's a journey into the heart of global progress. As industries evolve and technology advances, the demand for these commodities skyrockets, making them not just valuable investments, but also strategic contributors to a sustainable and tech-savvy future. Number 6. Value stocks and mutual funds. Now, Luxo lovers, let's shift our focus to value stocks and mutual funds. Now, don't let the jargon intimidate you. We're here to break it down and show you how these can be your ticket to financial growth. First things first, value stocks. These aren't just any stocks, they're like the hidden gems of the stock market. Value stocks belong to companies that are often overlooked but have strong fundamentals and real potential. Imagine discovering a diamond in the rough. That's the essence of value stocks. These companies might be a bit under the radar, but they've got what it takes to shine in the long run. Now let's talk about mutual funds, which are like a team effort in the investment game. Picture a group of investors pooling their money together. That's a mutual fund. It's a collective approach to investing, managed by professionals who know the ropes. So when you invest in a mutual fund, you're not going solo, you're part of a squad with a common goal, making those dollars work smarter for you. The beauty of value stocks and mutual funds is their potential for steady growth over time. They're not about flashy short-term gains, They're the tortoises in the race, focused on the long haul. By strategically placing your bets on these gems, you're aligning yourself with a patient and calculated approach to building wealth. Number 5. Collectibles. Now, we're not just talking about any old stuff. We're talking about treasures that get even more valuable as time goes by. Think about vintage cars, for instance. They're not just vehicles, they're rolling pieces of history. Investing in one of these classics is like owning a time capsule that appreciates over the years. It's not just about getting from point A to B, it's about riding the waves of nostalgia and, of course, watching your investment gain value. Now let's talk about rare art pieces. Imagine having a masterpiece hanging on your wall, not just for its aesthetic appeal, but because it's a piece of history and culture. These artworks are like windows to different eras, and as they become rarer over time, their value shoots up. It's not just about decorating your space, it's about having a piece of the past that appreciates in value. And what about limited edition watches? They're not just about telling time, they're about making a statement. Investing in a limited edition timepiece is like having a wearable work of art on your wrist. These watches often become sought-after collectibles, and as they become scarcer, their value climbs. The allure of collectibles lies in their uniqueness and the stories they carry. They're not mass-produced, they're special, and that's what makes them so appealing to investors. Number 4. Safe haven currencies. This might sound a bit technical, but trust me, it's like having a secret in your financial toolkit, especially when the economic seas get a bit choppy. So what's a safe haven currency? Think of it like a financial safe house, and one notable player in this game is the Swiss franc. When things in the financial world start to get a bit shaky, like during uncertain times or when geopolitical issues are causing a stir, these safe haven currencies step into the spotlight. Now, why the Swiss franc? Well, it's like the hero of stability. In times of turmoil, investors often turn to it as an alternative to the US dollar. It's like having a reliable friend you can count on when things are a bit chaotic. The Swiss franc tends to hold its ground and even appreciate when other currencies might be feeling the heat. Using safe haven currencies is like having a backup plan for your financial journey. It's not about making quick gains, it's about having a reliable companion that stands strong when the economic winds are blowing. Number 3. Land and real estate. It's the timeless investment duo that never goes out of style. Why, you ask? Well, buckle up, because we're about to explore why having a piece of the earth to call your own is not just a smart move, but a timeless one. So why is land and real estate so special? Simple. Everyone needs a place to live, work, or do cool stuff, right? That's where the magic happens. When you own a slice of land or a piece of property, you're not just getting 4 walls and a roof, you're getting a piece of a limited resource that everyone wants. It's like being the captain of a ship with a precious cargo everyone's eyeing. Now here's the cool part. Land and real estate are like superheroes when it comes to dealing with inflation. Imagine inflation as a sneaky villain trying to mess with the value of your money. Land and real estate? They're the caped crusaders that stand strong against this villain. You see, as prices go up, so does the value of your property. It's like having a shield that protects your investment from the ups and downs of the financial battlefield. Investing in land and real estate isn't just about having a physical space, it's about having a piece of the planet that grows in value over time. It's about being part of a market that's always buzzing with demand. Number 2. Sovereign guarantee. It might sound a bit complex, but trust me, it's like having the government vouch for your investments, and that's pretty awesome. A sovereign guarantee is a promise from the big guns, the government. When they say they've got your back, they really mean it. These guarantees are backed by the full faith and credit of the government, making them as solid as a rock. It's like having a superhero-level assurance that your investment is in good hands. Now, how do you get in on this government-backed action? Well, you can tap into sovereign guarantees through something called government securities, or GSECs for short. Think of them as the VIP tickets to financial stability. But here's the catch: not all GSECs are created equal. You want to go for the stable ones with top-notch credit ratings. It's like picking the A-listers of the financial world. Number 1. God's money: gold, silver, and platinum. Of course, our +1 is God. We mean it. So have faith and invest in God's money. Yes, with God's money such as gold, silver, and platinum, you're tapping into something timeless and valuable. These precious metals are like the VIPs of the investment world, and let me tell you why. First off, let's talk about gold. It's not just a shiny metal, it's a powerhouse when it comes to beating inflation. When everything else seems shaky, gold stands tall. It's like a financial superhero that becomes even more precious when inflation tries to mess with the value of your money. And get this, Luxo lovers, experts are saying the value of gold could hit a whopping $10,000 soon. That's like having a treasure chest with potential riches. Now, silver and platinum, they're no sidekicks either. These metals are scarce and in super high demand, especially when the economic waters get a bit turbulent. Picture them as your financial bodyguards, shielding your investments from the ups and downs of paper currency. When inflation is on the rise, these metals tend to shine even brighter. Investing in God's money isn't just about the here and now, it's about the long game. It's like planting seeds for a future harvest. These precious metals have a track record of holding and increasing their value over time. So Luxo lovers, if you're looking for a secure and timeless investment, consider putting your faith in God's money. It's not just a financial move, it's a journey into the world of enduring value. And there you have it, that's a wrap for today's video. If you found it entertaining and insightful, we're putting our faith in you, Luxo lovers, to show us some love. Give us a thumbs up, drop your thoughts in the comments below, and don't forget to share it with others. If you're new to Luxo-Life, hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay in the loop. Until the next video, take care and catch you soon.